What's going on, guys? Welcome to Fortnite video. So I'm gonna start uploading again. I'm mostly gonna upload Fortnite. Maybe in the future I'll change games or something, doing some ROYALE stuff. But anyway, for now it's mostly gonna be some Fortnite. So let's just jump into the gameplay. Alright, guys, we're gonna start things off by going factory. Hopefully there's gonna be like maybe 2 guys with us, just to get some kills in the beginning of the game. Hopefully we're gonna find a new shotgun. I actually want to find it because I heard it was, well, it's supposed to be really good. At least that's what I heard. So we at least have one chest. Okay, we're not gonna have one chest. And there's no chest down here. Great. Anything there? Some minis, that's good. There's a chest right here, which contains bad stuff. I'm not even gonna take the gun. There's a pump shotgun, that's good. A green one as well. Oh, put it right there. If you couldn't tell also by my voice, I'm sick, alright? So if I sound weird, just know I'm sick. This guy's right there. He's a noob. Dude, what are you doing? For real, what are you doing? I mean, he checked the window, alright? To be fair, he did check the window. Sorry, dude, I didn't mean to call you a noob. Just gonna use this real quick and grab these back up. There's a chest up here. There you go. Just gonna reload this real quick. Everything's reloaded, nice. Wow. A crossbow. Wow. I'm gonna go take the chest on the chimney, the one I missed. Nothing too good. I know free. Thanks, dude. Honestly, just kills right now. Just get a new shotgun, real. Alright, 6. Honestly, I also want to get some more kills. Just get a new shotgun. Is the Franklin salty? I'm just gonna go check upstairs. Yeah, go okay, salty. Please don't make me salty. I be joking. I just went down. Where's everyone? You saw me there. Oh, I think I'm gonna fight you, right? If I actually do something, this is boring. There's not even a strike for someone. I'm just doing a map. I'm gonna jump this way. Right. Another guy. This guy looks. This guy should have built. Oh my god, I wanted some action, I got some action. Jesus. Please let me go out. Jesus Christ, this dude hurts. Oh, this zone's so far away. I thought the dude had a what do you call them again? the new shotgun. This guy did not have one. He had a... Oh, there's a golden scar in here. I'm gonna take the bandages because of the zone. Maybe I shouldn't have picked them up, but still. No, I think it's a pretty good move because the zone's gonna hurt. So I haven't seen the new shotgun though, which is sad. So it might be in this chest, but I'm not gonna check. So I'm shooting going down. I saw the guy running. I'm just gonna go in the zone first. Alright, so I currently see two guys. The guy right there just died. He got sniped by this other guy who's getting shot in the back by the other guy I saw. Well, dude, don't mind me. I'm just gonna go steal your loot. Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing, dude? Alright, this dude's dead. Anyone? This guy's still there. Nice. Wow, I liked. This guy looks bad. I'm gonna take this. This dude literally had everything you can want. This, there you go. Maybe I should not have used it actually. Yeah, I don't know. Do you want me to tell her only partly? I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna go break this guy's tower. See ya, dude. How does he still have shield? Alright, 2 other guys apart from me. We still haven't found a new shotgun though. In Willingwoods. I hate when the zone ends in Willingwoods. I should have picked up the grenade launcher. I just realized that. I'm gonna play it safe, guys. I'm just gonna make a quick little base. I don't think this guy knows that I'm not in my base anymore. He definitely doesn't know. Oh, I won! Well, there you go. We couldn't find a new shotgun, guys. I'm sorry. Alright. I'm gonna keep playing, though. If I get any clips with the new shotgun, I'm just gonna add them. So yeah, anyway, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.